Content creation used to take me 6 hours per piece minimum, a blog post, a LinkedIn article, a newsletter section, 6 hours of staring at a blank document, getting something down, hating it, rewriting it, and eventually publishing something I wasn't sure about. Now I do all of that in under 45 minutes, and the output is better. This is the exact system. The bottleneck in content creation isn't ideas. Most professionals have more ideas than time. The bottleneck is execution speed, the gap between I should write about this and actually having something published, and the gap is brutal. Research takes an hour. The first draft takes 2 or 3 hours. Then repurposing it for LinkedIn, email, and social takes another 2 hours. For most professionals, the math doesn't work, so the content doesn't happen. Claude solves the execution problem. The thinking still has to be yours. Let's start with long form. Blog posts, articles, case studies. The key is specificity in your prompt. Don't just say write a blog post about AI. Tell Claude who it's for, what the tone should be, and what you want it to be. Practical and not hype in this example. The first draft Claude produces isn't your final draft. It's a 70% version that takes 3 minutes instead of 3 hours. You edit it, add your examples, sharpen the voice. But you're working from something real, not a blank page. That shift in starting point changes everything about how fast you move. Here's where the time savings compound. Take one piece of content, a blog post, a podcast transcript, a talk you gave, and ask Claude to repurpose it into every format you need. LinkedIn posts in 3 different angles, an email newsletter section, 5 tweet-length ideas, all from the same source material in 5 minutes. Manual repurposing used to take 2 to 3 hours per piece. This single workflow change doubles most people's content output without adding any time to their week. LinkedIn is its own challenge because the platform rewards consistency and variety. Post too often with the same angle and engagement drops. Post too rarely and the algorithm buries you. The system that works: 3 content angles, rotating. Insight posts that share a specific professional observation. Story posts that make a business point through a personal experience. And counterintuitive posts that challenge a common assumption in your field. Give Claude your topic and ask for all 3. You get a week of LinkedIn content in under 5 minutes. The hardest part of consistent content is the planning. What to post, when, and in what format. Most people spend a Sunday afternoon every few weeks trying to plan ahead and still end up improvising. Ask Claude to build you a 30-day content calendar for your specific role and audience. Tell it your posting frequency, your topic focus, and the format mix you want. What comes back is a structured plan, specific angles for each post, strategic format rotation, and enough variety to keep an audience engaged. That's your month of content in 8 minutes. Here's the complete content system. Long-form drafts in 3 to 4 minutes. One piece repurposed into 5 or more formats in another 5 minutes. A LinkedIn content system with 3 rotating angles and a full 30-day calendar in under 10 minutes. The total time to produce a month of content with this system is under 3 hours. For most professionals, that's the entire content output for a quarter compressed into a single Saturday morning. That's the full content creation system with Claude. Long-form drafting, repurposing, LinkedIn content in 3 angles, and full monthly planning. All of it faster than it used to take to write one post. This channel puts out a new Claude tutorial every week. If you want to keep building these systems, subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Free content calendar template in the description below.